Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at converting a Figma design to HTML and CSS format. So without further ado, let's climb straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our Figma design is open. We're going to go over to a new tab here, and you want to go and look for function 12. Okay, so this helps you convert. So fn12.com and just sign up for free. Here you're going to go create new project. You are going to need a Figma URL. So once you're in your design, let's go to share, and over here it says copy dev mode link. You're going to click on that and it says link copy. Let's go back here and we're going to add that in just here. Okay, you're also going to give it a name. So we can now add the framework. So let's use HTML. And the style is CSS. All right, and let's leave the units in pixels, and we're going to create new project. Now this could take some time depending on how big your project actually is, so just give it a few minutes to go through the process. Here you can see on this handoff page, this is our design. Okay, and here's our code. You can see all of the detail here. Now to get this onto your device, on the top right there's a little download button, and here you have your build options. Of course, our framework HTML, we're going to leave it like that, and style, we're going to keep it in CSS, and we're going to click on download. This will now be downloaded to your device quickly and easily.